Hey, Attention Runners, it's Adrian here on Tuesday, so day 6 of this project. And I got more of the outside removed today since it's finally a nice day outside. So I can let you see what it looks like as it gets back to the Rocky Mountain 3212 version that this was built originally. So you're able to kind of see inside with all of the windows that are facing out here to the courtyard. And I will spin you all around.
All right, so that's that master side which I got off last week. That portion there will become a window. It wasn't originally, but all the houses I've dealt with, I end up switching that one out so you get extra light all the way down. That is the true front doors. We're facing South Newton Street here. Open these up. Obviously you can see some of the broken glass, which is all right for being covered up. And we'll be replacing it all to a double pane glazed in. But you can see all the way through now. And this whole corner is revealed. And that door will become a glass door to match what the original ones look like. But there you go. We got that kind of corner shot coming together slowly but surely. I'll check back into it later today or tomorrow. Thanks all.